Yeah. Da na 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 na. Da na na na. Da na na na. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how I did my braid out. So I am 11 months and 4 days post relaxer.
I'm almost at the 1 year mark. I'm so excited. So excited for this journey. So excited to be transitioning from relaxed hair to natural.
Trying to deal with two texture hair is very hard. The relaxed and the new growth is very hard. So that is why braid out is my go-to hairstyle, because it's so easy, it's so simple. You just blend both texture and you're good to go. So my hair videos are not tutorials, it's just how I do my hair, and I hope you guys enjoy. These are my favorite moisturizer that I'll be using in this video. I'll link all the names below in the description box. Starting off with freshly washed hair, and like I said, I'll link all the hair products down below in the description box. So here I am just moisturizing my hair to make sure that I get the best result from my braid out. With a white tooth comb, starting from the ends of my hair, I'll be working my way to the root, combing my hair, making sure the products are blended everywhere. Also, I'll be doing a side part for this hairstyle. After I part each section to braid my hair, I'll be applying the moisturizers again to my hair to make sure my hair is well moisturized. Oh, and also I'll be using the Lotta body setting lotion and the wild growth.
Now here's the best part. Let's get to braiding.
The curls at the end of my hair are always a different size from the root because it's smaller. The ends are smaller in size. So what I usually do is join two braids together to get the same size curl pattern. You'll see what I'm trying to explain in a few seconds. Please don't mind my voice. I have a little cold I'm trying to get over. But here you'll see what I was trying to explain to you, where I joined two braids together to get the same size curl pattern as the root. So in this video, I'll be doing 5 braids. I don't like my curls to be too small, so 5 braids will give me the perfect size curls. Oh, and by the way, remember, say you're doing a braid out. So your parting, it doesn't have to be perfect. It no matter how you part it, as long as the braiding is good, on point. That's it. Because once you unravel those braids, the parting won't be showing. Just make sure the side part is, done perfect. Yes, we get in there, Finally on the last braid. Fun fact, it took me 15 minutes to do all 5 braids. So here, I'll be joining all 3 braids together again. So all 5 braids are done, and now I'll be using the wild growth to oil my scalp. I use the white bottle to oil my scalp. Sometimes I use the yellow bottle too, but I also use the yellow bottle to do like deep conditioning treatment as well. And then I'll be applying the Lotta body setting lotion all over my hair and then tie to make sure everything is laid and slayed. So it's the next day. I was so nervous. I was praying in my mind, please let this be the best braid out I've ever done. So here I'm applying oil to my fingers to unravel my braids just to avoid frizz. So this is the part where you have to take your sweet little time and unravel those braids to not get any frizz and also to get the perfect curls. Alright, so it's starting to look like the perfect braid out to me. The only problem is my hair, it's uneven, and I am not cutting it until I'm doing my big chop, which is soon because boy, I'm telling you, my hair is really thick and it's hard to deal with both textures. Like it's crazy. So big chop is coming soon. So here I'm just massaging my scalp and trying to get rid of those parts in my hair. After laying my edges with the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Eco Style Gel, I'll be using the Carol's Daughter Oil Sheen to spray on my hair just to give it a little shine. So this is my final result. If you guys have any questions, please comment down below and also like, share, and subscribe. And thank you guys for watching.